I want to quickly show you just a few examples of what a good description is and what a bad description might look like. And after that, you can have a little bit more of a description. Always give the key points for your book, what the book is about, what's in it, and just anything the customer could find informative and valuable for him or her to know to make a decision to buy the book or not. All right, so the next reason you're not getting sales is you're not doing Amazon ads, or you're doing Amazon ads incorrectly. Amazon ads were the biggest success to my wife and I's success on KDP. Once my wife and I started doing Amazon ads, we started getting really high sales, not just from ads, but also organically. Our rankings on Amazon search results went really high, and we even got a few bestseller books. That was really exciting. Now we're getting thousands of organic sales, and that is because we started doing ads. We do have a lot of books we've never run ads on that also do well, but our best-selling books are ones that we have and are running ads on. And the reason Amazon likes Amazon ads so much is 1, because they're making a profit. 2, when you're running Amazon ads correctly, your sales volume will go up. Amazon can see the sales volume organically and with ads. So if you're selling more books than your competitor, Amazon will obviously start ranking your book higher than the other book. If you want to learn everything about Amazon ads, how to create correct campaigns with the right settings, and how to avoid all the mistakes, I have a full list on my YouTube channel that you can watch.